have with us CEO Tarang Patel of Intech Harness Private Limited. Let's talk to Tarang Patel about his journey of his agri startup. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello Sriveda, how are you? I'm fine.
I'm good, thank you. So could you tell us about how the journey of Intech Harness Private Limited has started from the year since its inception until now?
Okay. Basically, we started it with an idea with no company as such, because we just identified a problem which was, communicated to me across by a cousin of mine who does a farming. He's a farmer basically. So he used to face this problem of operating his pump with challenges like erratic power or sometimes water availability at source and so on and so forth. So he sounded us off, on those problems, and that actually got me thinking that this is a good problem to solve. So that's why we started thinking on the solution, and today we also we hold a patent for this solution, and we also have tested the product very extensively, made it reliable and durable, because this is the hardware part which will be sitting on the farm, and apart from solving those challenges, it is also future ready with more layers of technology planned for it, so that even in future this product remains relevant to agriculture.
That's really nice. So what challenges did you face in the field in your initial stages of your innovation?
Yeah. See, basically what happens is when you have a problem statement and you have an idea which essentially is a solution to that problem, you build a prototype, and that is basically a lab model which is conceptually working.
Okay.
But the conditions on the field are totally different,
Right.
and they are not as stable as we think in the lab.
Correct.
So we faced a lot of failures once we put these units into the farms for testing, and we could then identify further challenges, and then with this feedback we went back to the lab and made these changes, improvised on the features, improvised on the durability of the product, and now today it so happens that for the last 2 years we have not received any complaints as far as the problems are concerned. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks to Tarang Patel and his team for solving the problems of farmers of Maharashtra. Hope to see a lot more from his company. Thank you.
Thank you.
So these were the challenges that were identified after interacting with Adesh Bhai and his group of farmers.
Good afternoon, I'm Tarang from Intech Harness. We work in the agri-tech space, and we have developed a patent-granted IR-enabled farmer opinion pump controller for small farmers to operate and automate the pump operations. Let me explain you what this is. As you can see, this is a site installation and gets added onto the panel on the site. No additional changes are required. You must have learned about these GSM-based controllers where you could operate the pump from wherever you are. So the entire spectrum is there, requires some kind of a human intervention. We are one step ahead of this, and hence it is a connect and forget principle. It's time triggered, so all you have to give on time say 12 o'clock and off time say 4 o'clock. It will switch on the pump at that time and switch off at 4 o'clock. In between, if there is, suppose at 1 o'clock there is power loss, then everything will shut down. But the intelligence is that on resumption of power, it will restart the pump, keep it running till 4:30 and then switch off. So your program time is delivered and there is no human intervention, bringing relief and savings in water and electricity for the farmer and the resources. Thank you.
Okay, we had taken 1318 as the on time and 1319 as the off time. So now the contactor has been switched off and the motor is on for a period of 1 minute. That's 0001. Now this will switch off at 1319. In between, if the power is gone, then this will shut down. If the power is received, it will automatically switch on and keep it running for the balance period extended time to cover up the lost time. Similarly, in case of water loss, it will switch off the motor, and once it receives the water through the sensor, it will switch it on and keep it running for the extended time which has been lost due to non-availability of water or power. So 13:55 seconds, 56. There, it has switched off. Thank you.